Hey everyone. If you've ever felt stuck or frustrated while working in Google Sheets, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you 15 simple tips that can save you a ton of time by pointing out little mistakes and habits that actually slow you down. Let's get right into it. Tip 1. Quickly select an entire column or row. Ever find yourself clicking and dragging forever to select a whole row or column? It's so unnecessary. Instead, just click the letter at the top of the column or the number on the side of the row, and it selects everything in one click. Tip 2. Freeze headers. If you keep scrolling down a long list and lose track of which column is which, you're wasting time. Avoid this by going to View, Freeze, and choosing the top row. Now your headers stay in place while you scroll. Tip 3. Add multiple sheets. Are you cramming everything onto one giant, messy sheet? It gets confusing fast. A better way is to click the plus sign at the bottom and create new tabs to keep things organized by topic, project, or month. Tip 4. Use basic formulas. Still adding numbers up one by one with a calculator or in your head. Not cool. Use simple formulas like equal sum A1, a 5 to add numbers instantly. Or equal average A1, a 5 to get the average. Way faster, way cleaner. Tip 5. Drag to fill, copying the same thing over and over by typing or pasting. That eats up your time. Instead, click the cell, grab the little blue square in the corner, and drag it. It automatically fills in the values or formulas for you. Tip 6. Autofit column width. Is your text cut off or overlapping into the next column? Manually resizing columns is a pain. A quick fix: double-click the line between two column letters and it'll auto-fit the content perfectly. Tip 7. Change number format. Typing $signs or percentage symbols manually is slow and messy. Highlight your cells, go to Format, then Number, and pick the style you need. Currency, date, percent, done. Tip 8. Conditional formatting. If you're visually scanning through hundreds of numbers to spot the highest or lowest values, that's exhausting. Instead, use conditional formatting under the Format menu. You can set it to color code cells automatically based on the values. Tip 9. Create drop-down lists. If you're typing the same options over and over, like yes, no, maybe, you're wasting time and risking typos. Go to Data, Data Validation, and make a drop-down list so you can pick from preset choices. Tip 10. Insert checkboxes, still typing done or completed next to tasks. Way too clunky. Add checkboxes instead. Select your cells, go to Insert, then Checkbox. It's cleaner, faster, and way more satisfying to click. Tip 11. Quick keyboard shortcuts. If you're always reaching for the mouse to copy, paste, or undo, you're slowing yourself down. Use Ctrl-C to copy, Ctrl-V to paste, and Ctrl-Z to undo. And for a full shortcut list, hit Ctrl/. It's a game changer. Tip 12. Use equal now and equal today. Are you typing the date manually every day? Big waste of time and easy to mess up. Instead, type equal now to get the current date and time, or equal today for just the date. They update automatically. Tip 13. Sort data. If you're manually reordering lists by dragging rows around, that's way too slow. Highlight your data, go to Data, then Sort Range, and instantly sort by name, number, or even custom order. Tip 14. Insert comments, leaving reminders in random empty cells or separate files. That gets messy. Right-click any cell, select Comment, and leave a note right there. It's tidy, trackable, and perfect for teamwork.
And that's it, quick tips that can seriously boost your productivity in Google Sheets by avoiding those common slowdowns. See you in the next one.